In this video, I will show you how to connect Steam to Discord. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up Discord. So you actually need to open up Discord to connect your Steam account. And once you've done that and you're logged in, what you need to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto this gear icon to go into your user settings. Now, once you're in here, if you come over to the menu on the left-hand side, you want to click onto connections. Now, from here, if you look at the top, you want to look for the Steam logo. So you can see mine's here, but if you don't see it straight away, just click onto this area where it says view more. What that's going to do is open a window where you should be able to see the Steam logo. Once you've located it, give it a click, and what that's going to do is open up an internet browser asking you to sign in with your Steam account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to this screen. All you need to do is click the green sign in button, so make sure you've got the correct account that you've signed into. And once that's done, as you can see, it's going to start to connect your Steam account to Discord. Once this has been confirmed, as you can see, it says connect your Steam account to Discord. And if we now come back to our Discord app, and what I'm going to do is close this down, come back into settings, and then click again onto connections, you will see if we scroll down, we should now have our Steam account connected, and you can see some further options. So you can choose if you want to display your Steam activity on your profile and also your Steam details. So that's how to connect Steam to Discord. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Steam, Discord, and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.